Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove web extensions or add-ons in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Edge web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select extensions. Now you can remove them directly from here by selecting the three-dotted icon next to it and select the Remove from Microsoft Edge option, or you can go underneath Manage Extensions and then you can remove them from here. And it's going to ask Remove from Microsoft Edge. Select the blue Remove button. I would suggest restarting your browser though, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.